my name is Daryl, coming to you from AlphaCars in Ural, New England. Today we have a 2018 Ural Retro. And this is the last year these bikes were produced. We have a couple of them left. If you've looked at the other video, you've seen that the other color is black with white pinstriping and a bare aluminum engine. This one has a powder coated drivetrain, black wheels, beautiful red paint job with black pinstripes on it. Very cool bike. Shifter for reverse on the tank. First generation fuel injection system. And triple disc brakes. So if you have any questions about this bike or any of the other ones that we have in our inventory, please contact us at Ural, New England. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video.